Hi, good morning, everyone. Find comfortable position and close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds around. And observe your body, observe your breath. Good, and now slowly inhale, hands outside, and then up. And now exhale. Good, again, inhale. And now exhale. And then inhale. Connect your hands, palms together, fingers lock, and now gently move to the right. Inhale up, and then slowly move to your left. And then up to your right. And up, and now left. And now up. Okay, from here now gently twist, place your right hand behind, shoulders down, look backward. Relax your face, close your eyes. Good, okay. And up, inhale. Move to your left. Shoulders down. Extend your back, look backward. And again, try to be an observer. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good, okay. And now grow up and inhale. Then exhale. Hands behind on the floor, check your fingers. Fingers in. Okay, and then feet in front, keep your feet on two lines. Now lift your pelvis up and gently flat your back. And pelvis down and release. Great. Again, slowly up. Pelvis down and release. Good. One more time and up. And down, release. Great. Now extend your left knee, push your left heel outside. Bring your right foot in. Hug your right leg. Place your right hand behind. Again, gently twist. And relax your face. Close your eyes. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Good, okay. Hands up in the inhale. Feet again on two lines. And then hands behind, fingers in and the same. So again, lift your pelvis and flat your back. Pelvis down and release. And then up. Pelvis down and release. Good. One more time and up. And now release. Great. So now push your right heel outside. Bring your left foot in. Hug your left leg. Place your left hand behind, shoulders down. Again, extend your back. And check your right leg. So try to bring your right knee down. Push it down. Heel outside. Flex your right foot. Good, okay. And now release, hands up, inhale. And then exhale. Then grab your legs under your knees. Connect your legs together. Okay. And then lift your feet up. Find the balance. Check your shoulders. Try to roll your shoulders backwards and down. Open the chest. Okay. So if it's too difficult for you, you can place your hands behind. Use your hands. Okay. Also, if you want to challenge, then keep your hands in front and open your palms up. Okay, try to hold it, find the balance. And now release, feet again down, hands up and inhale. Hands down, exhale. Now, fingers out, okay? And try to connect your hands behind. Move your pelvis gently forward and then down, okay? Find your level here. Don't push too much. Be careful with your shoulders. Relax your face, close your eyes. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good. Feet in, and then bring your pelvis backward. Open your knees, open your hips. If you need, gently shake your arms, relax your muscles. If you need, prepare your blocks. And now bring your torso down forward and relax. Relax your back, relax your neck. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands. And now slowly and gently grow up. Hands up. Inhale. And hands down. Exhale. Now your feet in. Again, find comfortable position. Drop your shoulders. Relax your face. Close your eyes. And now focus on your belly. And as you inhale, push your belly out. And now exhale, belly in. Belly out, inhale. And exhale, belly in. And belly out. And exhale, belly in. Keep breathing slowly. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. And now gently open your eyes. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.